Hi everyone, I am Mohammed Lal and you are watching Trendsetters Academy. So today in this lecture I will tell you about how to design your own loading bar. Okay, so here this is a simple designed loaded bar. So progress bar are used to show progress of a task. For example, when you are uploading or downloading something from the internet, it is better to show the progress of download upload to the user. Yeah, it's important here. Okay, so in Android there is a class called progress dialog that allows you to create progress bar. In order to do this, you need to initiate an object of this class, and its syntax is that you need to use this progress dialog class. Okay, and you are creating its variable and then creating an object here, and we will use this progress dialog here. Okay, for creating a progress box and go on. Okay, now you can set some properties of this dialog such as its style, its text. Yeah, here I can show you. So this is our progress dialog. Okay, so how this thing is working, like I have to set this dialog, like I have to set its title, I have to set it from where it start and where it's end, and how much it's like positions and what sort of positions are there. Okay, so this thing we are creating this thing here. Okay, so how this thing is creating, the let's go to this. Now you can set some properties of this dialog. Okay, like you are setting the property as set message, like I showed you before, that this is download music, and then you are setting progress dialog. Okay, progress dialog set horizontal. Okay, this is going to horizontally straight line. Okay, apart from these methods there are other methods that are provided by this progress dialog class. Okay, that's awesome, that's really awesome. Let's see. The first method here is get max method. This method returns the maximum value of the progress. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so increment progress by int differential. Okay, this method increment the progress bar by the difference of value passed as a parameter, and then set intermediate boolean intermediate. Okay, this method set the progress indicator as determinate or indeterminate. Set max int max. Okay, what this method do, this method sets the maximum value of progress dialog. Yeah, we must need the minimum value and the maximum value of progress dialog, so we must need these methods. And what are these other methods are set progress int value. Okay, this method is used to update the progress dialog with some specific value. Okay, so the dialog, for updating the dialog there must be some value here. Okay, so the other methods are show context, character sequence title, and character sequence message. This is static method used to display progress dialog. Okay, fine with this thing. So here is the example. Okay, the example demonstrates the horizontal use of progress dialog, which is in fact a progress bar. It displays a progress bar on pressing the button. Okay, fine, that's awesome. Like this is quite so simple example that when you click on a button, what it happen is just pop up that downloader, the progress bar dialog open with a download method. Okay, with a downloader. To experiment with this example, you need to run this on an actual device after developing the application according to steps below. Okay, so here are the steps. You must focus on these steps. There are pretty simple 4 steps, as you are seeing. The first thing here is you will use Android Studio to create an Android application and a package. Okay, that's quite so simple thing. Okay, so first you need to create an Android project, then create a main activity, and you have to write some progress code dialog. Okay, to display the progress dialog, at first you have to display the progress dialog, and then the next thing is in XML you have to add that respective XML, what really the XML code is. Let's see what's the codes there, and then in last when you add all the things there, everything, and just run the code. That's it. So here is the code. Let's come to the code. It's quite so simple here. Like you created some XML there and created some a simple button. Okay, and there is a progress dialog. Okay. And there is no such thing XML for this progress dialog. It's like a pop-up on your screen. Okay, so there is no XML of this progress dialog. Just remember this thing. In XML, I just only created this button. Okay, so I'm just getting this button one dot set on click listener, and what I'm doing is when I click on this button, what it happen, it just download the music. Okay, it just show that. So I created a method, download method here. Okay, and pass some view. So this progress dialog, what it show is this progress dialog shows some dialog, and in this dialog I just set the message, the title there is the downloading music, and I set its style as a horizontal. There are many different styles, and then you're seeing progress dot set progress. This means the starting point is 0. Okay, progress dot show, this means okay, progress is showing fine with the thing. And the next thing here is we need thread. After 2 seconds the time must be it jumps from 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, blah blah blah, until the 100. Okay, and so here you are seeing this is just set jumping. Okay, so here is the main XML, and you're seeing here there are some text views created, like I'm getting this tutorial from tutorial point, so it writes it like there is a text of progress bar. Okay, we are following progress bar lecture, and there is a title of tutorial points. Okay, fine with the thing, and this is just a simple button that that this someone developer created this button. Okay, so what you do, I tried text there, and it said that there is some download method in my main activity class. Okay, so what you do is android dot on click. When I click on this button, this download method invoked. Okay, so where is this download method? As I showed you before, that when I click on this button, what it do, it done the thing like this. Okay, so this thing will work, so this must pop up there. It just invoke the download method, and that's all, and there's no need to add anything in the manifest. And when you run the code, what it happen, it shows this method. Okay, it shows this screen, this sort of screen here. When you click on this download button, what it happens, it download this music, and the thing is going on. Okay, it's just say like 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, blah 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 till 100. And that's all. This is all about progress bar. Okay, find me this thing. You can use this progress bar without using this dialog box. Okay, we will see in the next lecture, and we will see in the future lecture, we will see in the next lecture. And the next this is all about progress bar. Okay, and we will see next awesome things in the next lectures. And if you like it, please subscribe. I need your subscription for more lectures and for more awesome things. In the future we will create some awesome applications with these things. So this is just the beginning level, and when we are going towards the intermediate and some advanced level, we will create I will tell you about each and every application here. Okay, I will use a Firebase, Redis, MongoDB, and there are a lot of tools there, and I will use it. I will tell you, I will teach you. But the first thing is you must subscribe, you must comment, you must tell me the issues, the problems there are there. What are you facing? What problems are you facing there? So I hope this thing is awesome. Thank you. Have a nice day. Nice coding. Bye bye. Ta-da.